everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka and the bulletin today starts with Intel CEO steps down amid company turnaround efforts. Lenovo unveils energy efficient supercomputing solutions. Cast 24 to expand tech workspace, invest rupees 500 crores. VI introduces AI powered spam detection solution. Then we have WhatsApp, which adds message yourself feature for notes and reminders. Apple faces lawsuit over employee privacy and pay restrictions. At last, we have big tech's growing investment in CEO scrutiny. In the previous quiz, we asked you what does DVD stand for? The answer is digital video disc. It's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question: what does VPN stand for? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune into tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. Intel CEO Pat Gelsinger has stepped down, handling interim leadership to CFO David Zinsser and senior executive Michael Johnston Holthuis. Gelsinger's ambitious 4-year plan to regain chip manufacturing dominance remains incomplete. Intel has faced challenges competing with Taiwan and semiconductor manufacturing corporations and securing foundry customers for profitability. Under Gelsinger, Intel has launched a $20 billion factory expansion but struggled with stock performance, losing over half of its value in 2024. The board seeks a permanent successor while managing $7.86 billion in government subsidies for its turnaround. Intel's strategy to regain market leadership faces scrutiny as it strives to restore investor confidence and deliver on ambitious goals. Then we have Lenovo, which has introduced advanced energy-efficient supercomputing solutions at Supercomputing 2024, designed to accelerate AI and scientific research. Central to its innovation is the 6th generation Neptune liquid cooling technology, which uses water instead of fans for heat removal, significantly improving energy efficiency. The compact 100% liquid-cooled systems can integrate into standard data centers without major modifications. Now, Lenovo solutions support NVIDIA's latest superchips, enabling high-performance AI workload while reducing cost. These innovations also promote clean energy research, including nuclear fusion, through collaboration with agencies like ENEA by making supercomputing more accessible and sustainable. Lenovo is driving responsible AI-powered transformation across industries. Then we have Cast 24, India's leading auto tech platform, which plans to onboard 100 tech professionals over 4 months, aiming to revolutionize car ownership. The expansion focuses on roles in R&D, AI machine learning, DevOps, and product innovation. Key initiatives include real-time car valuation, maintenance, tracking, and insurance renewals, all accessible through Cast 24 Super App. The 400 crore investment will enhance technology to simplify car ownership. Co-founder Gajendra Jangir emphasizes innovation and bold thinking as drivers see this as transformation. This app integrates every aspect of car ownership under one platform, redefining convenience for users. Cast 24's expansion highlights its complement to cutting-edge solution, inviting tech enthusiasts to shape the future of mobility through smarter, seamless innovations. Then telecom operator VI has launched an AI and machine learning spam detection solution to enhance user safety. The system will identify and flag over 24 million spam messages, offering real-time analysis to detect phishing links, fraudulent promotions, and identity theft attempts. Spam messages are tagged as suspected spam, allowing users to make informed decisions. The solution continuously improves by learning from emerging spam trends. VI also employs bulk call pattern detection and customer feedback to curb unsolicited calls. CTO Jagbir Singh emphasizes the commitment to safeguard digital communication, ensuring a secure, clutter-free experience for users. This proactive approach reinforces VI's dedication to customer safety and education. Now, WhatsApp new feature allows users to send messages to themselves, transforming the app into a personal note-taking tool. This convenient option lets users store important information, reminder, and media in one location without needing additional apps. To use this feature, update WhatsApp to the latest version, navigate to new chat, and select your own name at the top of the contact list. Users can send text, photos, voice note, and documents to themselves. Messages are also backed up if cloud backups are enabled, ensuring easy access when switching devices. By integrating this feature into an already familiar platform, WhatsApp offers a seamless, efficient solution for note storage and organization. Ideal for users seeking quick, reliable ways to save and manage information, this update further enhances WhatsApp's utility. Now, Apple is under scrutiny for allegedly surveilling employees' personal devices and iCloud accounts while restricting discussions on pay and working conditions. The lawsuit, filed in California by Amar Bhakta, accuses Apple of requiring software on personal devices that grants access to emails, photos, and personal data. It also alleges Apple enforces confidentiality policies that deter whistleblowing and limit free speech. Bhakta claims he was prohibited from discussing work on podcasts and forced to edit LinkedIn details about working conditions. Apple denies these claims, stating employees are educated annually on their rights. This case follows other complaints accusing Apple of gender pay disparity and deterring discussion on workplace issues. Filed under a California law allowing employees to sue on the state's behalf, the lawsuit intensifies focus on Apple's workplace policy. Last but not the least, major tech companies are ramping up spending to protect their CEOs, with Meta leading the pack, allocating $23.4 million for Mark Zuckerberg's security in 2023. This includes $10 million for security services and $14 million for other safety expenses. Meta justifies the high cost due to Zuckerberg's prominent role, linking his safety directly to the company's reputation. In comparison, Google has spent $6.8 million on Sundar Pichai's security, while Apple and Tesla have spent $8,220,309 and $2.4 million on Tim Cook and Elon Musk respectively. Nvidia allocated $2.2 million for Jensen Huang. These expenses reflect the highlighted risk associated with high-profile roles in an increasingly digital and interconnected world. The company trend underscores how companies prioritize CEO safety amidst accelerating public scrutiny and challenges. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to iTunes.